Since the beginning of the internet, IT security experts have been reminding everyone to back up, and back up. So, what is cloud backup storage? It is a service provided by the IT company where you can store your data in our cloud, so you can access it when you need it. IT company offers 256-bit secure integrated cloud backup storage services, offering flexibility to restore data yourself without depending on any specialist. Our exclusive features include cross-platform support, continuous data protection, customizable backup sets, user-initiated restore, network locations backup, unlimited upload, ransomware safe backup, and an easy-to-use interface. Try our cloud backup for free and then decide to buy it. Experience secure and affordable cloud backup storage with IT company today.